Have you just opened your mailbox or checked your email and found an official letter from the Social Security Administration? A letter that says your benefits, Social Security, SSDI, SSI have been denied? If so, right now you may be feeling devastated, helpless, or even angry. Maybe you're a senior citizen who's worked your whole life, a parent caring for a disabled child, or someone struggling with serious health issues. Having your benefits denied can be overwhelming, but you are not alone. Today, we're going to walk you through what to do step by step if you've been denied Social Security benefits in 2025. This guide is specially made for you. If you are a senior, if you're low income, if you live with a physical or mental disability, or if you help care for someone who relies on this vital support. Let's begin, and remember, don't give up. You have options. Why Social Security benefits get denied first. Let's talk about why Social Security claims are denied. Understanding the reason behind your denial is the foundation for fighting back and getting the support you deserve. Reason 1, lack of medical evidence. The P. One reason for Social Security disability, SSDI and SSI denials is simple. The government decided there wasn't enough strong, recent medical proof of your condition. For instance, imagine you live with chronic pain and limited mobility. If your records aren't up to date, no recent doctor's visits, physical therapy reports, or tests, the SSA reviewer may say there's not enough evidence to support the claim. Result, denied. Reason number 2, earning too much money. Did you know, if you work part-time or have any income over a certain limit, the SSA may deny your application saying you're not disabled enough or can do substantial, gainful activity, usually more than $1,550 month gross in 2024, slightly higher in 2025. Even a few dollars over the limit can result in denial. Reason number 3, not following doctor's orders. If the SSA sees in your records that you're not following your doctor's treatment plan, for example, not taking prescribed medicine or skipping appointments, they may view your situation as less serious or less credible. Reason number 4, paperwork mistakes or missing info on the application, like blank fields, forgetting to list a hospital visit, or not signing forms are common causes of denial. Reason number 5, prior denials. If you've been denied before and simply apply again without providing new information, some claims are denied automatically unless your circumstances have significantly changed. Real life example from 2024. Let's look at a real case. In March 2024, Maria, age 62, from Ohio, applied for SSDI due to severe arthritis. She submitted doctor notes, but didn't mention ER visits or list all her medications. The SSA saw gaps and denied her claim. When Maria appealed and added more records, including a new statement from her specialist, her benefits were later approved. If you've been denied, it's often because of one of these reasons, but remember, a denial isn't the end, it's a new beginning. Your legal right to appeal, a step-by-step explanation. Here's the truth. You absolutely have the right to appeal if you're denied Social Security, SSDI, or SSI. Think of the appeals process as a ladder. You can go up step by step if needed to fight for your benefits. Let's walk through each step. Step 1, request for reconsideration. Within 60 days of getting your denial letter, you can file a request for reconsideration. This is a fresh look by a different SSA examiner. What can you do here? Submit new medical records. Add letters from doctors, therapists, or family. Correct any missing info or errors. Step 2, hearing by an administrative law judge, LJ. If you're denied again, don't panic. You have another 60 days to request a hearing with an LJ. This is a real court hearing, but it's less formal than a regular court. You, your attorney, and sometimes experts talk directly to a judge who reviews your entire case. Step 3, Social Security Appeals Council. If the judge denies your claim, you can appeal to the Appeals Council in Virginia. Here, senior officials review if the judge made a legal error or missed something important. Step 4, federal court. If you're denied by the appeals council, your final step is to file a case in federal district court. This is rare, but it can be powerful. Sometimes federal judges reverse denials and order the SSA to pay benefits. Remember, each stage has firm deadlines, usually 60 days. Missing a deadline can mean starting over or losing your right to appeal. How long the appeal process takes in 2025. One of the most common and most frustrating questions is, how long is this going to take? Based on the latest data for 2025, initial reconsideration, 2 to 6 months, sometimes longer, ALJ hearing. Average wait, nationwide, it's about 8 to 16 months just to get a court date. In big cities, the wait can be even longer. Appeals counsel, often 8 to 14 months for review, sometimes faster for urgent cases. Federal court, 1 year or longer, depending on court backlog. Why does it take so long? High volume of cases, shortage of judges and staff, need for additional medical or work evidence. What can you do? Respond quickly to every SSA letter, submit new evidence early and often, stay organized and keep copies of everything. Mistakes to avoid during the appeal process. Mistake number 1, missing deadlines. You usually have 60 days to appeal at each step. Missing these deadlines often means starting over from the beginning. Mistake number 2, not providing enough medical evidence. Don't just trust that they have my records. Request and submit your most updated medical records, test results, and treatment plans yourself. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. Many people give up after the first or second denial. But remember, most successful claims are approved at the hearing or appeal stage, not at first. Mistake number 4, inconsistent information. Make sure your claim, all medical reports, and what you tell the SSA are consistent. Inconsistencies create doubt, and doubt leads to denial. Mistake number 5, not getting legal help if needed. You have the right to a lawyer or advocate at every appeal stage. Many work on contingency. You pay only if you win. When and why you should contact a Social Security disability lawyer. Many people wonder, do I really need a lawyer? Here's what you should know. If your medical situation is complex or you've been denied more than once, a lawyer can be your greatest ally. Lawyers understand Social Security laws, paperwork, and strategy. In most cases, you pay nothing up front. They're paid a limited fee from your past due benefits if you win. Law firms provide free consultations so you can talk about your case without any risk. A study from 2024 found that applicants with legal help are twice as likely to succeed at their hearing compared to those who go alone. Not sure where to start? Check with your local legal aid office or search online for Social Security Disability Lawyer free consultation and check reviews. Practical tips for strengthening your appeal. This is where you can make a difference. Tip 1, gather all medical records. Get an updated copy from every doctor, clinic, mental health provider, therapist, and hospital you visited. Tip 2, ask your doctor for a support letter. A simple letter called a medical source statement from your doctor explaining why you can't work can be powerful. Tip 3, keep a symptom journal. Write down how your disability affects you day to day. Examples, on May 5th, 2025, I couldn't get out of bed due to severe pain. I missed my daughter's graduation because of fatigue. Small details matter. Tip 4, list all medications and treatments. Don't forget about therapy, counseling, or non-traditional treatments. List everything for the SSA. Tip 5, meet all deadlines and respond quickly. The faster you respond to requests like the SSA's request for more documents, the sooner your case may move forward. Tip 6, ask a friend or family member for support. A short written statement from those who know you best can also help show how your disability impacts your everyday life. Tip 7, stay organized. Keep a folder, physical or digital, with your SSA letters, copies of everything you've sent or received, doctor contacts, and appointment logs. Conclusion, don't give up hope. Having your Social Security benefits denied isn't the end, even though it may feel like it right now. This is your right. You paid into the system, you worked hard, and you deserve a fair chance. Remember, you can appeal, you can fight for your benefits step by step. You are not alone. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more guides on Social Security and your legal rights. If you have questions, leave a comment below. We're here to help you each step of the way. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay informed, and take action. You deserve the support you need.